at Super Target to check out the 2021 Hyde and Eek. As you walk in, here are all the cards for Halloween. For those who don't remember what day of the month it is, it's October 31st. If you don't know that, And also, of course, in the front of the store are the cheaper items for Halloween, although apparently not very many. $1 for these spooky socks. I don't know, seems like a lot for one pair of socks. Kids, make sure you ask your mummy before putting it in the cart. Thought these were soap, but these are candles. Got candles. And of course, pumpkins. My little collection of stickers. Here are the signs. There are other things outside of the Hyde and Eek area, like these pillows, for example. This welcome mat and the thrones. Cats. Here's some spooky bins for all the things you buy this year for Halloween when it's time to put them away. Not quite time yet, though. Put your pumpkins on top of this if they're real or fake. I like the fake ones because they look real and you can use it every year. All right, so it's October 5th and this still looks empty. Yeah, guess what's already stocked already? Christmas. $35, you can have a skeleton coming out of your lawn if you are lucky enough to have a lawn. For $20, you can get this. Ooh. Looks very in the dark, I'm sure. Well, the tabs are still in these, so I can't show you this, but pumpkins and pears, well, 5 pears, I don't know. Only $5, and they line up.
Sure is a spooky night. I hope my candle don't burn out. Oh, dang it.
For some reason, a redneck pumpkin.
Some candy would be dandy, but a sweater would be better. It sure is chilly out tonight. Ooh-wee.
$10 for this ghost. And it lights up red. Cool. $30 for this. Oh, that's kind of cool.
Please help me get down. I'm late for a party, and I'm the ghost of honor.
Yeah, but you're not the ghost with the most, are you? That's Beetlejuice. This guy looks a little bit like Sam.
Greetings. We've been expecting you.
I'm just holding it close so you can hear it. $15 for this pumpkin. It's pretty cool. It's more orange than it looks on camera. Looks a little more yellow. Or $15 for this ghosty. It was purple. Was expecting white. Purple's better. Trick-or-treaters stop here. It's a light-up sign. It requires AC power, so I can't show it to you. Over $40 for this pretty cool lamppost. And see, it's pretty tall. And it says, try here. I guess it lights up. Phone is ringing. Oh my God. $10.
Candy Boo is calling. Step out of candy.
If I could do this without my hand in the frame, it would be more effective. I kind of like this one. This is $20. Subtle, but, you know, put it outside during the night, and I'm sure you'll see a lot better. Next to the Christmas lights with the Halloween Christmas lights. For only $1, you can get yourself a pail. It's a quick overview of the party supplies. This, don't make this video like 20 minutes, 30 minutes. $2 for these placemats. They look nice. I like them. Okay, well, $5. Really good price. Here's, well, not a fair pumpkin candy, so I don't know how much it is, but it's a minion. I've wanted to eat a banana. And of course, costumes. Whole thing is that Target has costumes for kids and adults. And any place today, especially in Orlando, any place that sells costumes, sells Wizarding World of Harry Potter stuff. I'm sure this isn't all Target stores, but, you know, more costumes for all ages. Got some Ghostbuster stuff over here. Pretty cool. $35 for those. And you can tell it was $35 too. This is an interesting one of an X-ray. Just remember, if you're coming to Halloween Horror Nights, no costumes or masks, or they will take them from you. I mean, you can take it back to your car too. That's an option, but here's another section is just kids, which is, you know, fine. Buy one, get one 50% off. Party on sale. Of course, makeup and more kids' costumes. The back too. Orange Gladys is only $25. It's actually really nice for $25. I mean, fabric quality. But the most important part of Halloween, of course, is the candy. More and more and more candy. And chocolate. And more and more and more. More, please. Of spooky water, which is just water with a ghost on the front. Here. Some stuff if you want to get baked things. So you got some other snack options over here. I used to like this stuff, but I just find it disgusting these days, especially the pumpkins. Yeah. It's one of my favorite things, the Scare Mix. It's regular Haribo stuff, but it has a different flavor to it. A really good flavor, too. Pumpkin Peaks. These are only $1.99. These are only $1. But right now, it's 2 for $5. Wait, I thought they were $1. Never mind. And you can buy some dog treats for Halloween. Not like your dog knows what Halloween is, but sure. Of course, you can't forget the Halloween cereal. I can, because ew. But if you like it, yay. Various toys for Halloween for your dog. Now, more of a fall thing, but of course, there's also finally some spooky cookies. And that'll do it for Hyde and Eek for 2021 here at Target. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit to the gift shop. Also, getting a lot of dislikes lately, so give it a like if you like it. If you don't like it anyway. Click like anyway, because, I don't know. But, thanks for watching.